stuck in a breakout room and not sure how to get back to the main Zoom session? Don't worry, I've got you. Here's a quick step-by-step guide to safely leave a breakout room on Zoom Workspace app. Once you're inside a breakout room, Zoom gives you a separate space to collaborate. But it also gives you control to leave when you're ready. Look closely at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Leave Room or simply Leave. Now click that Leave Room button. Zoom will ask you to confirm your action, just to make sure you didn't click it by accident. If you're ready to go back to the main session, choose Return to the main session. Within a few seconds, Zoom will seamlessly bring you back where everyone else is. Not ready to leave but need help? There's an Ask for Help button. It alerts the host to join your room. Super useful if you're stuck or confused. And that's how you leave a breakout room without any confusion. Whether you're switching rooms, rejoining the main session, or just done collaborating, now you know exactly what to do. Like and subscribe for more videos just like this, and thank you guys for watching.